In today's video, I will walk you through how to edit a Shopify theme with Shopify Magic AI. Start by going to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, look at the navigation menu on the left side of the screen and select Online Store. After opening the Online Store section, click on Themes. This will take you to the page where your current theme and any additional themes are displayed. Find the theme you want to edit and click Customize. This will open the Shopify theme editor. Once you're inside the theme editor, look through the available sections of your store. As you navigate through the editor, watch for AI text generation icons. These are typically displayed alongside text fields that support Shopify Magic AI. Locate the text section you would like to edit. This could be a product description, banner text, mission statement, or any other text area that supports AI-generated content. After selecting the text section, click the option to generate text with AI. You will then be prompted to enter keywords. Type the keywords that are relevant to the content you want to create. Take a moment to review your keywords before continuing. Once you're satisfied with them, proceed to the next step. Next, choose the tone you want the generated content to use. Select the tone that best matches the style you want for that section of your store. After entering your keywords and selecting a tone, allow Shopify Magic AI to generate the content. When the generated text appears, review it carefully within the editor. Read through the content and make sure it matches what you want to display on your store. If necessary, edit the generated text directly. You can adjust wording, modify details, or make changes wherever needed. Continue reviewing and refining the content until it matches your preferred wording and style. If the generated result needs additional changes, make those edits directly in the text field before moving on. Once you're satisfied with the final version, check the content one more time to ensure everything appears exactly as intended. After confirming that the text is ready, save your changes in the theme editor. Saving your changes ensures that the updated content is applied to your theme and retained within your store settings. You can repeat the same process for any other text sections that support Shopify Magic AI throughout your theme. To recap, open Online Store, select Themes, click Customize, locate a supported text section, use the AI text generation option, enter keywords, choose a tone, review the generated content, make any edits you want, and save your changes. That's all there is to it. Your Shopify theme content has now been edited using Shopify Magic AI. Thank you for watching.